Alright guys, the Handyman here, and today we have a water inlet valve to a washer that I delivered, and it was working before I delivered it, but for some reason it just stopped working on me. Changed out that hose, but the hose was not it, so I went ahead and ordered me a water inlet valve, and we're going to start taking it apart right now. I'm going to go ahead and take these nuts off. Put a 1/4 inch drill bit in there, nut driver. Take these nuts off. Alright, now we got the nuts out the way. Water inlet valve is right there. So all you gotta do is just pry this off from the corners, specifically the corners on the front, because that's where the pin is at. And you'll see it pop up right there on the front end of that. And then your 2 clips on the back. So make sure you get both sides, and then you should be able to peel this back, get straight to your water inlet valve, and get to your 2 screws. And you can see right there, that's where it was damaged. That one looks perfectly fine, but that one is popped out. And you can see the thread is kind of worn out as well a little bit. So, like I said, I put a new water hose in there. A new water supply line, but that didn't do the trick. Water valve is bad. So all you gotta do is just take the main input for the water inlet valve that goes to the control board. Alright, once you disconnect that, you want to go ahead and get a star bit or a 911 that has a star bit, and you should have the same fit to go ahead and take out these screws right here. And let's start taking them out. And once you take the main input to the board and the screws, it should be easy to just pop out. Easy swap for the new one. Go ahead and slide it in there and line it up to the holes for your 2 screws. And once you put them in place, just go ahead and tighten up the 2 screws. Plug into the board, make sure the shapes line up. You should hear a click once you insert it. Once you put it in there, it's time to go ahead and put it in place, back together. And always start with the pins first, not the clip first. So you want to put the pins in first, the white pins coming out, there you go, and just snap it on. Push it down, boom. And that's it. Just put the plate back. Alright, and once you put all the nuts together, go ahead and put your water supply on, and we're going to check out the leak now. Yes, sir. Crank that water valve on. Let's see what we got. Nothing. No leak. Beautiful. Water inlet valve was definitely the problem. Tighten it up just to make sure, and we should be good to go. The Handyman out.